Hey everyone, today I've got a little video about one of my sponsors, Earthwise. I've been working with Earthwise for quite a few years now and been using their products in my home because I do really like the whole brand behind it. I know Jamie who sort of runs it, and I really like their whole philosophy around making sure that if you're using products to clean with, you're using as least harsh chemicals as possible. And so they've sent me a little range of their current products, and I'm not going to go through all of them, but a few of the things that I'd just like to point out about that I really like about Earthwise is that they're now putting their products into recycled plastic, so it's 75% recycled plastic each bottle, and then the plastic can go and be recycled again. It's also in sort of the clearer plastics, so that's really good for being able to be recycled, which is awesome. So that's a really cool sort of part of their brand. They're number 2 plastic, so they can be recycled in your local council recycling bins. Also, they have quite a nice range of like all the different smells. Like, you know, if you're into fragrancing, you've got mint, and I think this one here is tea tree and thyme. I love the smell of tea tree and thyme. Orange, and this one here is eucalyptus and thyme, which obviously is quite natural, antibacterial and things like that. But they also do a huge sensitive range as well, which is really good for people who can't do fragrances, which is a little bit like me. I love to smell things but then sneeze. So I do like their sensitive products as well. A couple of things just around the cloth nappies though, and washing with cloth nappies. The Earthwise, the powders are really not suitable for bamboo or hemp nappies. I would suggest using their liquids or the woolen delicates, which is the best for your bamboos and your hemps, because otherwise it's got baking soda in the powders, the stronger powders. So to look after your bamboo nappies, make sure that you use something that doesn't have sodium bicarbonate, but that's where the liquids don't have it. So if you're washing bamboo nappies, go with their liquids, not the powders, just to make the nappies last a bit longer. But yeah, I really appreciate that they've supported me, especially on the cloth nappy sort of journey, with advice and support, and we've done lots of work together to work out sort of the best recommendations for your nappy usage. So if you're looking to go more natural and less impact on the environment, then you know, go with these guys. I love their products, and if you want fragrance free, they've got that too. So thanks for sending me this stuff to have a wee talk about again, guys. Really appreciate your support, and yeah, well, if you're looking, give it a go. It's great. See you next time.